The label of witch has been weaponised for centuries to marginalise, disempower and talk out perceived threats. Today, while the context might be a political rally, it does humanise and lead echoes a same sentiment that fuels violence in villages and communities over the globe. According to the United Nations and human rights organisations such as Amnesty International, this is a grave and active violation of human rights. A 2020 UN report estimated that between 2009 and 2019 alone, at least 20,000 folk were killed in connection with witch hunts over 60 countries. This modern toll, shockingly, rivals the estimated 35,000 to 60,000 executions that took place over 3 centuries during the infamous European witch trials. The primary targets of this violence, then and now, are overwhelmingly queens, bairns et al., and folk with disabilities, the most vulnerable members of society. This violence isn't a relic confined to a single culture or region, but a global tapestry weaved with threads of fear, misogyny, and social stress. In Saudi Arabia, whereby state-sanctioned executions for sorcery have taken place, with the tragic beheading of a queen in 2011 serving as a stark reminder of how judicial systems can enforce rather nor protect its deadly beliefs. In many parts of sub-Saharan Africa and places such as Papua New Guinea, the threat isn't for the state, but for the community itself, for extrajudicial killings and brutal acts of vigilante justice are used to explain away misfortune, illness, or economic hardship. Queens are often scapegoated for societal ills, their autonomy and wisdom recast as malevolent power that man be putting out. This phenomenon isn't about primitive societies. It's a human born for the breakdown of social trust and a desperate seeking of simple answers to complex problems.